evening, and welcome to another Digital Frontier episode. This week, we're looking at the state of US manufacturing, and it's not looking great. A series of regional indices set a relatively dire tone for the national release, with the ISM Manufacturing Index falling well short of expectations for the fourth consecutive month, coming in at 47.7 in February. However, there is some hope in the modest pickup in consumer activity at the start of the year, suggesting at least some ongoing resilience in consumption. On the business investment side, there was an uptick in January, with durable goods orders dropping but excluding transportation, capital goods orders rose just shy of 1% for the month. Moving on to employment, February payrolls are expected to rise 220,000 or roughly half the previous pace, and average hourly earnings are expected to rise 0.3 on the month, potentially marking the fastest pace of wage growth since December. With already a more than 5-decade low in the unemployment rate and labor demand far outpacing labor supply, wage pressures remain well above 4%. So, while there are some positive signs, there are also some concerns. Can the resilience in consumption persist against the backdrop of negative real income, fading fiscal stimulus, and rising prices? How will the Fed respond to these concerns? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for more updates.